When it comes to connecting with others, asking about family can be a great way to break the ice. Let's dive into how to do this in English, focusing on siblings, parents, and children. First, let's talk about siblings. If you want to ask someone about their brothers or sisters, you can start with a simple question like, "Do you have any siblings?" This opens the door for them to share more. You might hear, "Yes, I have one brother and two sisters." From there, you can follow up with, "What are their names?" or "How old are they?" This shows genuine interest and keeps the conversation flowing. Now let's move on to parents. A good way to ask about someone's parents is to say, "What do your parents do?" This not only gives you insight into their family, but also allows them to share a bit about their lives. If they mention their parents' professions, you can ask, "Do they enjoy their work?" Or "What do you admire most about them?" These questions encourage deeper conversations and help you learn more about their family dynamics. Next up is children. If the person you're speaking with is kids, you might ask, "Do you have any children?" If they do, you can follow up with, "How old are they?" or "What are their names?" If they share that they have a son or daughter, you could ask, "What do they like to do for fun?" This not only shows your interest in their family, but also opens the door for them to share stories, which can be really engaging. Now let's practice. Imagine you are in a conversation. I'll ask a question, and you can think about how you would respond. "Do you have any siblings?" Take a moment to think about your answer. If you said, "Yes, I have one sister." Great. Now let's keep it going. You could follow up with, "What does she do?" or "What's your favorite memory together?" Remember, the key to these conversations is to listen actively. When someone shares about their family, nodding and responding with follow-up questions shows that you care. Let's do another quick practice. What do your parents do? Think about how you would answer that. If you said, "My dad is a teacher and my mom is a nurse," you can add, "They both love their jobs." This not only provides information, but also gives a glimpse into your family's values. Lastly, let's talk about children. If you ask, "Do you have any children?" and they say yes, you might ask, "What are their hobbies?" This can lead to fun stories about their kids and create a warm atmosphere in your conversation. Asking about family is a wonderful way to connect with others. It shows that you're interested in their lives and helps build relationships. So, next time you're chatting with someone, don't hesitate to ask about their family. It could lead to some meaningful conversations. Now, take a moment to think about how you can incorporate these questions into your next conversation. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you engage, the more comfortable you'll become.